Hi everyone, today I will show you my new script, or rather several scripts that I added to the Edit Mesh panel. These scripts can help speed up editing chamfers. Let's go to the Edit Mesh panel and open the clean chamfer parameters. Now I'll show you how you can use vertices to correct a chamfer. First, you need to select the vertices of the chamfer. Now you can click the Apply button. As you can see, our vertices merged in the wrong place. To fix this, we can enable the first vertex parameter, and then first select the vertex at which we want the vertices to merge, and then all the others. Now the vertex merging is done correctly. You can also use polygon selection rather than vertex selection to correct the chamfer. But we may have the same problem, the vertices merge in the wrong place. In order to fix this, we must first select a vertex, then activate the use position parameter, and then click the get position button. Now we need to select the polygons and we can click the apply button. This way we can control the process of merging vertices in the right place. Sometimes you may need to collapse an edge into one vertex. To do this, you can use the collapse edge tool. First, you need to select the edge whose vertices will be merged, then you need to select the second edge connected to the first edge, so the vertex that connects the two edges will merge with the other vertex of the first selected edge. Now we can use the quad chamfer tool to connect the vertices so that we get quadrilaterals. Let's do it differently to get a more correct topology. Now I'll move the vertices a little to make the mesh look neater. Now using quad chamfer, we will connect the vertices of the chamfer. It looks better now. Now I'll do the same with the other chamfer. Just a few clicks and we get the correct chamfer topology. Here we can also use quad chamfer. I think this tool can help you save time when editing chamfers by saving you from connecting vertices manually. Now I will show you another script which is based on the Edge Relax Modo tool. I thought this might be useful because you need to select edges for the Edge Relax tool to work, but if you select chamfer polygons, you won't be able to use Edge Relax. The Sharp Corner Script tool will give you the ability to apply Edge Relax to selected chamfer polygons. If you turn off the fully chamfer option, then you will only get a sharp corner for the selected polygons, and not for the entire chamfer. That's all for today. I hope you enjoyed it. This update is available to all eMesh panel subscribers. If you like what I do and want to support me for the further development of the script panel, become a member of the eMesh panel on my Gumroad. Thank you all.